Now here's the latest on the Tropical Cyclone Claudia from the Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre in Perth. Whilst there are no warnings, Claudia is a category 3 on the AU scale and is located near 15.7 degrees south, 118.9 degrees east. It's about 435 kilometres northwest of Broome, 515 kilometres north of Port Hedland, moving west-southwest at 33 kilometres an hour. Severe tropical cyclone Claudia continues to move over open waters to the northwest of the Kimberley, and it's expected to strengthen further during today and continue to track towards the west-southwest, remaining over open waters well north of the Pilbara today and Tuesday. Gales and heavy rainfall not expected over mainland Western Australia. Strong winds are likely for coastal waters off the West Kimberley coast, and strong winds are likely to extend the coastal waters off the Pilbara sometime today and Tuesday. And here's the latest position of Claudia. 15.7 degrees south, 118.7 degrees east, maximum winds at 70 knots, minimum central pressure is 978 millibars, but is intensifying further. And you can clearly see what Claudia is when you look at the massive area with the right. That means that the cloud tops are cooling. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre, and they have the system 240 nautical miles west-northwest of Broome, tracking west-southwest at 21 knots over the last 6 hours. Animated and enhanced infrared satellite imagery shows persistent but asymmetric, apology for the pronunciation on that one, deep convection located around the low-level circulation centre with a large area of deep convection to the west of the centre. Microwave imagery shows a well-defined microwave eye in both the upper and lower levels. The initial position is based with high confidence and on a 37 gigahertz image which shows the defined microwave eye. Initial intensity is 70 knots. The cyclone is experiencing unfavourable vertical wind shear, 25 to 30 knots. However, this is offset by the fact that the shear and storm motion are in phase. It continues to have strong equatorward outflow and an improving poleward outflow channel. Sea surface temperatures remain favourable for further development between 29 and 31 Celsius and is currently tracking west-southwest while under the influence of a subtropical ridge located to the southeast. The steering ridge will be the primary feature through the next 96 hours. Favourable outflow sea surface temperatures will allow for steady to near rapid intensification in the short term. And switching over to the Southwest Pacific region, Fiji Meteorological Service is keeping an eye on Tropical Disturbance 04. Central pressure 1002 millibars, currently located near 13 south, 163.9 degrees east, remains slow moving and position poor based on the Himawari 8 infrared imagery. Deep convection remains persistent to the north and south of the supposed low-level circulation centre and remains poorly organised. Cyclonic circulation extends up to 500 millibars, and the system is located north of an upper ridge. With good outflow in a low to moderate shear environment, sea surface temperatures are very healthy, 31 degrees Celsius. Global models have picked up the system and gradually move it southeast with slight intensification. The potential for this system to develop into a tropical cyclone in the next 24 to 48 hours is low to moderate. Whilst there are no significant tropical lows in the eastern region, although we do have AWST 93P, which is the tropical disturbance, and none expected to develop during the next 3 days. A monsoon trough is becoming more active in the northern Coral Sea over the coming days, with a weak low pressure system currently developing southeast of the Solomon Islands to the east of the eastern region. The low is expected to move eastward away from the eastern region while developing next week, and is not expected to impact the Queensland coast. Percentages remain very low. That's the latest from the Bureau of Meteorology's tropical cyclone outlook for the Coral Sea.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information about Force 13, you can check us out on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force 13. Probably there already, good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force 13, where we post our updates, and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force 13. And if you want to rock our colors like Nathan Foy here, you can go to our store available at store.force13.com, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of the Patreon. More information about patronage and the privilege you can get from patronage can be found at patreon.com/Force13, and you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or to me directly on Discord at TRIN extension 1375, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.